Oh, nature nice. Car dirty though, but it's still nice.
One love, man.
Hello.
Welcome to the One Love car wash, man. You wanna get your car wash, man?
Me.
Yeah, I'll give you a nice cleanup. Yep.
Yeah.
I could give you a nice exterior. You give me a little $5,000. I could do the interior.
No, this is a rental.
Almarol, put it on your tie, make it really shine,
And
man.
then juice this.
3 times $5,000. I have your car ready in 3 days.
3 days. A toothbrush you use for clean. Road runner. Them have a car wash.
Yeah, man, hold on, man.
Careful. You know, look like you know what
Hold
you're
on, no, man. Hold on, no, man. Cross. Tommy.
And this type of service we prefer, you know. Road runner, my thing there.
More than just a rental.